just started with the geography.
Geography.
We have not done any other department.
You see this major three departments will go on the 13th. Break into
Okay.
And it is a double blind peer review.
Blind review done by this paper,
correct.
and this is first is review by this
Yes,
group of people, and
ठीक है, very good.
this is
You are getting articles from outsiders also?
from
got
from
33
different
and,
universities. Last time we got 33 papers, and we have published only 6.
You don't make it an in-house journal.
No, it can't
not
be.
enough.
It can't be.
It should not be.
There is not even a single article from the faculty.
No, you can also publish. No, nothing wrong. But
No, there is nothing wrong. Yeah.
it's open. It's open to all.
By the expert. 6 months.
ये राहुल रंजन तो आप क्या है?
No, Ram Ranjan is from I think JN.
Trying up.
If I remember correctly.
We have tied up. The file is here.
Inside it में अच्छा कोई बात नहीं
I remember. I think he was interacting with me during that process.
Teaching various people in the neighborhood also, in the college also. This will be weekend kind of program, and mostly things will be online and through video lectures, and classes will be on weekend so that the regular college is not
will not be.
in the preceding
लेडी इस्लाम कॉलेज में हुआ था.
in the opposite Shira College of Commerce, but it's just
बड़े अच्छा.
जी हाँ. ऐसे ये सूर्या साहब आए थे, मिसेस शीला दीक्षित चीफ मिनिस्टर थी, वो आई थी. मतलब ये all top guns have been visiting our college. Dr. Shivani, she is also here in Delhi University. She has seen different case studies. She and Dr. Harit.
chairman wants to talk.
Yes, Dr. Harit has been, and the other teachers also. She has been organizing case study competition with the Commerce Association in Mutyam. Very good resourceful person. And she is the one you already met her.
Do you provide consultancy to the accounts branch of the college? Interaction with the Delhi Stock Exchange?
Oh yes, finance and education, and there is a proper display because of the shortage time. Well, the students are rather
In the 10
students are rather
establish
depressed
the
that we have not
software
seen.
so that the consultancy is definitely provided to the college.
Shivani,
They are the members of the outside body, academic body. So it is a monopoly of 1 or 2%.
और दूसरा कोई दिखाइए.
ओके कोई और देखना चाहिए
नहीं आप दिखाइए, हम देख रहे हैं ना.
जी सो दिस इज जैसे अभी फ्लिपकार्ट का है वी डिस्कस द प्री सेल सिनेरियो एंड देन वी डिस्कस द पोस्ट वन सो वी डिवाइडेड इन वेरियस सेक्शंस ई कॉमर्स जी सो उसमें जैसे पहले किए हैं सोशल मीडिया पे उनका क्या इम्पैक्ट था, उससे उनका ट्रैफिक जनरेट होता है या नहीं, फिर उसमें से lessons learned were what, and then we mailed it to the companies, respective companies also.
Sir, I'm teaching advertisement and sales promotion. So it's a case
मार्केटिंग में तो मिल जाएंगे केसेस बहुत से. और बताइए अकाउंटिंग में क्या कराते हैं?
Sir, accounting, I'm not teaching accounting, I'm using PPTs for that.
कौन करता है अकाउंटिंग?
So management के हैं.
मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग में बताइए कौन सा केस देते हैं?
Accounting, sir, not management. We are teaching management and E5.
There's a DBO also.
We are using PPTs to teach.
हम ये थोड़ा कह रहे हैं कि कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है, नहीं कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है. बीकॉम लेवल पे कराने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. लेकिन आपने जो कि कहा इससे मैंने बात किया. बीकॉम लेवल पे कराया नहीं जाता, इट इज मैच्योर्ड कहा जाता है. एक्चुअली पहले तो कॉन्सेप्ट बताना पड़ेगा ना, तभी तो कुछ आगे कैसे करेगा.
Course plan is there, syllabus is there, there's a website, but please syllabus. But distribution. So this is course we made it for daily diary. They have their own plans that how they will go and how they will teach. This will be them will teach the students. So the department is concerned, we go vertical up and then it can be done. Otherwise there was a limitation, we will not able to do that. Pooja Talwar, she has been funding the paper in US. That is the 4 or 5 of have been taught. She is one of that. Dr. Saab hai, Shivani has. She is Jameson is having very good 1.5 to 4. Because she is good medicine.
Even Dr. Shivani has done international publications.
She has met the chairman.
Sir can also see the.
How did you collect the
Plus, because the current generation is
Yes, you did. What they've done, they've actually displayed their work also. So they would be really keen and they've been waiting since morning, sir.
The conversation. Sorry, I was just. Sir, he is a partner in PwC. So he came as a chief guest last year for Udyam. That's the annual commerce festival. And Udyam is one major event of Commerce Association where we have a lot of commerce activities where not only are we trying to encourage our students to sharpen their managerial and entrepreneurial skills, but we are also socially sensitizing them. So what we are doing as a part of our social sensitizing our students, we are organizing events as part of Udyam. One event that we started last year was Advitya, which is specially organized for specially able children. Then we also appreciate the Martyrs Day. We organize blood donation camps. We have a tie-up with certain, children homes and all, where we actually, for them, we organize certain donation camps and provide old books, clothes, and money to them.
Extension of that.
Also, as part of our Udyam, that's the annual festival of the Commerce Association, we organize various activities. So this time, what we have planned for this year Udyam is, first time what we are having is the social bee-plant competition. This workshop we are prepared for you. Yes, and this is one association of the college which is actually providing a helping hand to many other associations. So it's working very closely with the young entrepreneur society. It's working very closely with the actors. It's working very closely with the skill development center.
They are managing the whole thing.
but only few get the opportunity of this level.
Take some people. So one such event is Advitya, which is mentioned here. And as you see, we have a proper body as we have in any management organization. There is a president, vice president. There are people who are taking care of the academic talks because we keep inviting people from renowned backgrounds. As you can see, that is partner from PwC. Very recently, we had a person.
How you get the funding?
So through sponsorship and the college provides us. Most of the funding is provided by the college.
Case study was sponsored by Bank of India.
Of course, it's not in your hands. University has to take a decision. There should be what I am suggesting, what I have written elsewhere and I told in UGC committee meetings also, besides, internship should be made compulsory. Like for instance, if there is a student doing 6-semester BA course, BCom course, so one semester, maybe in the 4th semester, 5th semester.
Admit that we are different in this, and we are the first to start it. We are distinct. We have very good determination to take it to a newer heights.
Children's Week, sir. So we started and we collaborated with Chow Foundation, which basically deals with asthma attack survivors. So basically every rose has a story of an asthma attack survivor. So as a token, so we would want to give it. Since these are also some of the notebooks and also these specially able children have made from the Deepalya NGO how to make notebooks.
I am listening.
So,
Because somewhat distant listener.
Kind of an enterprise.
मारेंगे वो लोग आपको.
Whatever the money they earn, they give it to the college.
Not use the word blind.
So this is their
Consult to them.
especially
Production cost is around 30 bucks and we sell it at
and one of the students, they go for the meetings with marketing managers of various companies.
Now they are working on a project on developing a dye, golden jubilee dye actually. And so that will be. So
When is the
golden jubilee we had
purpose?
Ours is the only college which has a website also and yes, and we're developing it. We plan to load video lectures on this.
And for that, we're going to remanufacture and produce something with the NGOs. But we're going to give it a revenue generating effect. This is a calendar. This was the Antardhwani, wherein we won a cash prize of 1 lakh.
Yeah, the one who could not be the presentation because of
The second was mock stocks, third was the snakes and ladders, where you had to get some items and you progress to another level after you get those items.
Every week, we
The highest number being 20.
a page which has around 4 to 5 thousand.
There's this place in between where you ask riddles. So if you pass that riddle, you move on to the further level.
Somewhere down
And
the
if you
line,
don't, then you get down to the
finance is
level.
important, but then in judiciary, everywhere, through at the academic level, we should, as teachers, we should emphasize the importance.
definitely, I agree with you. I also tell the same
As
thing.
a teacher, that
Maybe we are in that age where now we say
Yes,
that.
we have
At this side, sir. This is a placement cell.
Yeah, and joined somewhere else.
So EY took a record number of 63 students this year from our college.
From our college, and that's the highest number so far.
Something like 200 and all that.
208.
दिमाग में है who will be trying to go ahead of you. So you should be alive to that. You should be alive to that, and then keep yourself active. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best.
B1, B3 में सारे one after another.
I was talking about when we are planning to adopt. So recently we made this visit to the village and looked at three major conflicts that what needs to be done. So we have to proceed with that. And so the government of Delhi is supporting our So we also organized a conference, National Youth Conference, in that Mr. Union the UN resident coordinator and in India, and also WWF India CEO Mr. Ravi Singh also came. And so till date, this conference was our best achievement, if we say, because directly the representatives from UN from the
Nice. Women Development Center.
Should eventually result in becoming like in many universities, women studies departments have to create. This activity can go on, but it should also acquire an academic capacity. It should become a separate.
Yes, they can start their own.
Approval of each course is a very lengthy process.
Happen, but then you must go in that direction. The next time when another peer team comes, you should be able to
यही सर उनका ऑफिस है रमन जी का
आ रहा है ना खाना रमन जी वहाँ गए मैथ्स में गए
Sir, this is for the NSS. ये भी ले लो
कंस्ट्रक्शन इज कमिंग अप हाँ
One was that one B1.
जहाँ पे गए थे वो पूरा लैब है सारे लैपटॉप सब बंद करके गए थे सीट्स के अंदर पूरा लैब
इसीलिए हमने इसके बारे में आज बात की है See how they are going to share over last year.
Mathematical software like Mathematic Online, Python, 6 part of them format majority 6 PhD. The main use of it that is the rate on a project in DST.
Minor and major is the toilet problem. I think that they are not popular in this region. Same thing happened in Tamil Nadu also. I did most of our looking for this in Tamil Nadu. But nobody has covered minor research project or major research project.
Actually, I have applied for the project.
UGC is very clear to just apply and get
So we have applied DST project.
now it is I think the amount has been enough to 3 lakh.
The start of project for the UGC is a 6
Project
lakh.
is 30 lakhs.
We have this innovation project of the schools of two departments. We have that.
You have already visited geography department, sir. He is one of the members.
Yes. It is interdisciplinary, so mathematics and when you connect Mathematica, the impact factor of this is 1.5 and applied mathematical model 2.3 and theoretical and applied fraction mechanics.
What about citation?
The 5 research papers are in
the impact factor is taken down.
Actually, I have total 3
The sanction figure is 46 students. As soon as the year. Formula that is general seats plus.
I think the impact of the university is more than that of the management. Is it?
As a constituent knowledge of the
Everything is being decided by the university. What else is remained to the college? Just to distribute the salaries.
Since it is constituent knowledge of the university.
So do you get all the facilities? Or if you want to attend a conference, what type of facilities are you providing for the conference?
We apply to the college and they permission.
And what about the DAD? You can get from the university. There is a problem. So how many conferences you are attending? How many conferences? How many of them you have organized? What about the Department of Mathematics? You have organized the conference.
Workshop on website designing, then workshops through that program. 2 workshops and 1 research.
That is the recent one.
That is the research.
Otherwise, we get complete support from our college in attending conferences, paper presentations. This is absolutely.
What type of money you get from the college? Seed money do you get? Seed money from the college?